Welcome back for another QNT price prediction analysis video, and at the time of this recording, QNT continues to hold above the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, which is now acting as support for us to continue gearing up. We are also holding above the $100.3 mark, which is also a significant area of support, and as long as we continue holding above it, we can easily see another bounce to the upper side to our next key area of resistance at around the $105 mark, and a break above that with a successful retest. Then we can easily see QNT get above the $110.1 mark in the next coming hours. QNT has also continued to obey the Elliot wave structures, and zooming out on the charts to give you my short-term Elliot wave analysis, you can see that after getting our low at around the $84.5 mark, we saw this consolidation before we finally saw the breakout to the upper side, giving us a high above the $110 mark, completing the formation of this Elliot wave count 1 to the upper side. And after seeing the formation of that first wave, we saw a bit of a pullback in the formation of this wave 2, whose minimum target areas I have highlighted on the charts using this red target area, which is an area that I came up with using the Fibonacci's, connecting the fibs from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, giving me a minimum pullback target area between the fib level 0.382 and the fib level 0.78, and that is between the $110.8 mark and the $90.3 mark, which is an area that we have almost fully maximized. And as you can see on the charts, we have seen a bit of a pullback into the area, and chances are we now have a low in place for the second wave. And as long as we continue holding above significant areas of supports, we can get that impulse to the upper side in the formation of this wave 3, whose minimum target areas, assuming that we have a low in place for the second wave, can be given by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, giving me a minimum target area for the third wave at the fib level 1.618, and that is above the $141.4 mark. Alternatively, in case in the next coming hours you continue to see increased selling pressure, and maybe at some point we lose support at around the $100.3 mark, then that will be suggesting further breakdown in the next coming hours, where we can easily see QNT get back into our red target area over here, maybe fully maximize the red target area, give us one more new low in the formation of this wave 2 before we can see a reversal to the upper side and start an impulsive wave in the formation of that wave 3. So that is what I'm watching out on the short term, and those are my pullback target areas in case we see a pullback in the next coming hours. Jumping to the daily chart to now give you my long-term Elliot wave analysis that I'm expecting to play out once the bull market is here. You can see that back in 2020 we saw this low before we went to the all-time high above the $429.7 mark, which was a perfect 4x to the upper side. And after seeing the all-time high, we started the bear market, where we had been seeing lower prices in this ABC corrective move, giving us a bear market low at around the $40.1 mark. And after seeing the bear market low, we continued to obey the Elliot wave structures, where you can see that we picked in a 5-wave move over here, completing the formation of this larger Elliot wave count 1. Then we started a bit of a pullback in the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 2, whose minimum target areas highlighted on the charts using this red target area we have now fully maximized, and there are high chances that we now have a low in place for that wave 2, and in the next coming weeks or maybe months we can see another impulsive move in the formation of this wave 3, minimum target areas being given by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, giving me a minimum target area for the third wave at the fib level 1.618, and that is above the $389.9 mark, which is the minimum that I can expect that wave 3 to the upper side to do. So that is what I'm watching out here on the QNT chart on the short term and also on the long term, and those are my pullback target areas. And I hope that video was of much help to you, and I hope to catch you in the next one.